Madagascar is not just an island, it's a world of its own. One of the most enchanting regions is Nosy Be, an island that bursts with vibrant culture and extraordinary wildlife. Here, travelers can snorkel among colorful coral reefs, spotting the iconic clownfish and sea turtles. Another gem is the quirky island of Nosy Komba, known for its friendly lemurs that greet visitors at every turn. And don't forget the breathtaking sunsets that cast the sky in shades of gold and purple, making every moment unforgettable. Madagascar is a paradise for those seeking adventure and a taste of nature's wonders.